Hello students, welcome to your online social class. Subject Social, Grade 4, Unit 3, Right and Duties of Children. Hi dears, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe. In the last class, we discussed about citizen, constitution, right to survival and right to development. Are you go through the lesson, ma? Yes, very good. Who is a citizen? Yes, citizen is a person who is a member of a country. Next what we saw? We saw about constitution. The set of rules of a country is known as constitution. Next we discussed about right to survival. The children below the age of 6 and between the age of 6 to 14 years have different needs for their growth and development. POSH program is also part of it. There are many vaccines and drops which are given to children to protect them from certain diseases. Next, right to development. Every child has the right to go to school and develop life skill. Next, we saw about child labor. It is illegal to force children below the age of 14 to work. We should call the child line number 1098. Today's class we are going to see about right to production. Children have the right to be protected in all circumstances. Indian government has set laws for the same. Children, what are the different parts of your body that no one should touch? Lips, chest and between two legs. To whom will you say if someone touches you in these parts? Yes, we will tell to an elder we trust. Children, you will not be scared if someone touches you in any or all these parts or any other part and make you feel uncomfortable. What will you do? Yes, you should shout at the top of your voice for help. There are laws to punish these people who touch children inappropriately. All you need to do is keep an eye out for danger and be confident. Do you know, dears, there is another rule: no one should hit or harm children. It is wrong to hit children as it affects their well-being. All elders should help to create safe environment for children to live. Are you clear about right to production, ma? Next right is right to participate. Children have the right to participate in matters related to them. This includes asking questions, giving suggestions and making decisions in things that affect them. Children have the right to participate in discussion and implementation of all the things related to them. Recap: every citizen of the country can enjoy the rights and do duties. Children also have special rights. Children have the right to have healthy food for growth and development. Children have the right to go to school and have good education. Children have the right to be protected against danger. Children have the right to participate in the matters related to them. Let us recap what we learnt in the today's class. Right to protection. Children have the right to be protected in all circumstances. Indian government has set laws for the same. There are laws to punish people who touch children inappropriately. All you need is to do is keep an eye out for danger and be confident. There is another rule: no person should hit or harm children. It is wrong to hit children as it affects their well-being. Next, what we saw? We saw about right to participate. Children have the right to participate in matters related to them. This includes asking questions, giving suggestions, and making discussion in things that affect them. We come to end of our class. Homework time. Homework for the day is read book page number 133 to 136. Again repeating, read book page number 133 to 136. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.